Good morning, everyone. Look how many beautiful, powerful women are here. Show me, show me. Yes. We are going to do some somatic movement, okay? So we're going to start feet on the floor. Yeah, feel your feet. Drop your shoulders. Drop your knees as well. So you feel your weight on the floor. Yeah, like that. Close your eyes, tuck your pelvis in, and just feel opening your spine, stretching. Close your eyes. And I invite you just to be right now. Feel the wind, feel the sunshine, feel the grass on your feet. Listen to the noise around, dust sounds. Bring your hands to your heart center, and let's make an intention for this practice today. Why you're here, what do you want, how do you want to feel today? So if you want to feel great, you don't say, I want to feel great, you say, I feel great. Repeat it 3 times yourself. How you want to be. Now open your eyes and your arms. And let's start just a little bit here. In the middle, we drop our knees. Yeah. And we turn with our foot also. Let our feet turn. It's like somebody call you on the back and you are lazy to look. So you're like, what? What? Yes. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel the wind. And I don't move my arms, I move my shoulders. So when I turn, my arms automatically go. And slowing down in the middle. We're gonna start with this movement. We're gonna breathe in and arch. We breathe out and curl. In, arch, look up, out, curl. All the air from your belly out. In, out. Take your time, do it on your own tempo. In and out. In. One last time. In. Breathe. Now a bit of a crazy movement. I'm gonna turn my right hand down and my left hand up. And I'm gonna look at the side that I turned up. Yeah? Breathe in one side. Breathe out the other side. In. Who feels it nice on your shoulders? Yes. Out. Turn, turn, turn. In. Keep your abs engaged. Out.
They say if you can do this, then you are a witch.
Oh, then we are all witches.
You
Woo!
are all witches.
Yes. One more time. Yes. And who feels it heavy on your arms? Yeah, right? I'm gonna breathe in and drop. In, open, stretch your whole body, squeeze everything. In. One more time. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Drop here. Start moving your legs, your arms. Going up. Now we're gonna do a circle down and a circle to the other side. I want you to feel the stretch. Where do you feel the stretch? Core, the back, obliques, that's where I feel. And now we are turning our head there and going all the way, and then I go the other way around to the side. Up and down. legs as well. Up. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. This one is called offering to the moon. So you see, here is an offer. You turn it to the other hand like a ball, and you go to the other side. You have like a ball in your hand, and you turn on the other hand, and the other side. There is no right or wrong. Just enjoy the movement. Deep breaths. Now you're going here, up, and then the other side. And turn your hand. Up, turn the hand, the other side. Up, open your legs to stretch. Now we're gonna use our shoulders here. Look at the blue sky, smile. Sunshine. And we have the trees to give us shade. We are alive. That is already a present. Okay. Here. Now we do a whole movement. Where is Dory now to do the worm? Like a worm. Like waves. Let it loose. And the other way around. This is the hard one. Here, our shoulders. Same thing, I take something here and I turn my hand. You look also serious, you can relax, eh? It's just to move your body, there's no right or wrong. Yes. Now let's do some movements with our hips. As women, we carry so much trauma, so much tension, stress, pain on your hips. My hips are screaming today, so let's give it some love. But let's use also our knees. Yeah, move your legs. Keep breathing. The other way around. Very good. Side to side. You can drop all the way. Drop all the way. If you think of this movement, it's surrender, right? And then here you rest and you got energy to go again. That's life. Slowly come back up. Close your eyes. Start shaking your body. Put high heels on, everyone, so it's easy to shake. Up and down your shoulders. One more time, deep breath in and out. Shake a leg. Shake the other leg. Shake your booty. Shake your arms, hands. Bring your hands to your heart center. Just check how you feel now. Feel your energy flowing. How you feel just compared to a few minutes ago. Repeat your intention from the beginning for the rest of the day now. Open your eyes and let's make applause to circulate the energy and to seal the deal. Thank you very much for watching at home. If you like it, please follow me so you can get more beautiful videos, practice like that for free. Right, ladies?